It's van life, it's now or never. I'm gonna live forever. I just wanna live a long life. It's van life.
Hello! Welcome to another episode of FilAmstagram. And we are here today in Cabuyao, Laguna at Fun Farms, Sta Elena. So we have our L300 Campervan right there. And there's Tatay! Yeah, and we have just checked in to this fun farm and we're off for a day of fun and adventure. Yay! Let's go! Oh, I can't stand!
Someone's getting older. We're YouTubers.
And there's the guest entrance where we checked in a while ago. And look at this place. Ooh. Look at that. Wow, look. Wow, that looks so cozy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see if you can do it. Wow, she's a big girl. Going a little faster that time.
Yeah.
Through the barrel cave tunnel. Pee-pee house.
Don't go pee-pee in the teepee. There she is. She's gonna make it. Is she gonna make it?
Really hard on the rope. If you hold the lower rope, you can probably do it. Grab onto the lower rope, the skinny one. Yeah, on the left side, this side. Yeah, now do it. You can do it.
Move her shoes to attempt to go there barefoot. Yes, I'm right here. She's doing it! She's doing it! Wow, she did it! Woo! Woo! Yeah!
That's not too tall? Oh! Woo! Got it!
Okay.
Look at this girl.
Okay.
It's scary, but you did it, huh? I'm proud of you.
Yay! High five! Hi! Woo!
She's shifting gears.
Yeah.
I saw you shifting gears.
Hi. Hi.
Oh look, there's no one in the truck now. Wow, look at this thing. Oh, she went right for the clutch.
Hi.
Shifting gears. I think you need to clean your windshield. I don't think you're gonna get very far. Look at her. Boy, flat tires.
There's that the wire. No, the wire that you can go onto the rope.
Oh.
The rope course.
She's thinking about it.
Are you? Yes.
You gonna do it?
Miriam, Tatay won't be able to guide you because Tatay has nothing to step on. This girl is crazy. Okay, Tatay won't be able to hold you.
Bye-bye.
Tatay won't be able to hold you, Miriam. There's a long way. And it crosses a cable there. She wants to go, but she can't. Yeah, and there's that cable. I don't want you to touch that cable. I don't know what it is. Enter Sandman. Yes.
You did.
She's gonna attempt to go up the view deck of this big tree. And
I think it's for bigger people. Just look at your face. Too big for her.
too big. Oh, fish feeding! Well, look at how big those are!
Come on!
Oh!
You want to save some for the duck?
Oh, there's a rabbit! Hello, rabbit!
Oh,
there
okay.
it is!
Wow!
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like bunny spaghetti.
This is a nice rabbit. It came to you, huh?
I see the turtle.
Oh yeah, look!
I see the turtle.
Behind the plants that are in the water, there's 3, 4. You see them?
There they
Did you see
are.
the turtles?
There they are.
Where the other rabbits?
It's kind of tall though. I don't know if we're gonna be able to reach those ropes. Okay, so Miriam's determined. She won't get out of Nana's way, but Nana's gonna leap over her. Hopefully there's no sand left on her feet. Oh, look at them. Don't tell Miriam she can't do anything, because now she's doing it. I think Miriam's winning. Nana's winning, but Miriam won because she's determined. Wow. Oh, and there's a carabao. Good job, Nana. Whoops. Whoa. You almost made it. 3 more tires, Miriam. Look at that. It says 3 more, 2 more. It says, I love Fun Farm. Yeah. I think Miriam loves Fun Farm too. She's gonna go on the spider web. Oh, she wants Nana to go. Let's see if Nana does it too. Oh, this is Mother Daughter Athletics. Ejercicio. Whoa. Wow. Where else can you exercise with that view? Woo! Nana's all the way up top, Miriam. Miriam was a little scared. Oh, geez. Yeah, it's too big for you, Miriam. Wow. Good job, Nana. And Miriam runs away again. Where is she this time? Oh, on the big rope ladder. Look, Nana's gonna do it. Do it with Nana. Come on. Bye. Oh, look at Nana. She's all the way up top. Oh, now she's going. She's not gonna let Nana. Oh, you took your shoes off, huh? Okay. Here it comes out. The tribal part of it coming out. Use those feet. Oh, look. Are you gonna get all the way up to Nana? See that? Positive reinforcement. Look, Nana's right there. Wow, it's so tall. Nana's right there. Wow. You're up there with the birds. Don't look down. Look at Nana. Look at Nana. Look at Nana. No, you're right there. Nana's holding you. Look, look. So close. You look down. I told you not to look down. You look at Nana. Nana's right there. You're safe. You're safe. It's because I said don't look down and then you look down.
It always happens, doesn't it?
It's Tatay's fault. Okay, I'm turning it off.
This is how close it gets. As close as it gets to autumn in the Philippines, when the mahogany trees turn yellow and orange and then they fall. The leaves actually fall.
Yeah, beautiful place.
Yeah, look at that blue sky.
Blue sky, birds all around.
We thought it was gonna rain on us tonight. Today.
The blue sky looks exactly like the one inside my drawing.
Yeah.
In the tablet.
Look how nice that is.
Let's go, first time. All right, don't be scared. What's the horse's name? Oh, Macchiato. Hi, Macchiato. Wow. And off she goes. Slap the horse's butt. Yay! Is that fun? Wow, Macchiato. It's fun, huh? What do you think, Miriam? She looks like a natural. You're not scared, huh, Miriam? No, she's even pointing at things. Doing it one-handed. Oh, now they're running. Was that fun? Oh, I got it. Lots of jokes. These are very beautiful. I think they're egrets.
Whoa.
What a beautiful farm, huh, Miriam? Those are big, majestic birds, aren't they? There's still one there. Oh, there it goes.
That's true.
Here. Miriam found something. What did you find, Miriam? What's that? A snake? It's not a snake.
It's not a snake. Well, look, it even has a tongue sticking out.
Oh! Okay, let's do education, Nanai. This is homeschooling. Farm school, what is it? Tell her what it is.
It's a snake. It's a snake.
It does look like it. Look at that head.
Look at the head.
Look at that head. Ah! Okay, tell her what it is, Nanai.
This is the seed of one of the trees here, over there. You see that tree that has a lot of things that are hanging down from them?
I see it.
Yeah. You see it over there? You're not even looking. You know.
Talk about a fun place.
Yeah, so you can
There's
see
birds
the
flying
seed
everywhere.
pods. This is kind of like
Animals all over the place.
This is kind of like the big version of your mongo beans. Your
Oh, big version.
mongo. Yeah.
No, those are chickens too.
Oh, there's a turkey. Have you seen a turkey?
I think they've all been fed. Maybe we'll have chickens and ducks one day. Oh, you want to feed the baby chicken, huh? That's nice of you. It probably didn't get any food. Good job. You're going to keep it alive today, Miriam. I think this is your favorite part, huh? With the animals, the rabbits. Thank you, Miriam. I was so hungry. I wanted a carrot. Oh, here comes bigger one. Who's the lucky guinea pig? Are they guinea pigs? They're not. They're guinea pigs. Oh. That's cute, huh? There's no more, sorry, look, this is there. Oh, that was fun, huh? What a nice educational experience. Come here.
We took a break because the zipline over there closed for lunch break, and so did we. Yeah, so if you were to go to this farm, you'll have to bring your own food because they don't have meals. They have drinks.
Most places don't let you bring stuff in.
Yeah. So we just brought our sandwiches, tuna sandwiches. Miriam's having chocolate Goya and peanut butter sandwich. We're having lunch in one of these covered picnic benches. So they have them all over. So there's enough benches and picnic tables for everyone.
Wow.
We're going back to the tree house.
Hi, Miriam. Look at that guy.
Nanay's too heavy.
Miriam, look at me.
She's not even holding on.
Go ahead. Miriam! Wow! How was it?
Yeah! It was fun! You should try it that time.
It's okay.
Yeah, where's it going?
We're going to ride this Carabao cart. Let's go. I love Fun Farm! There she goes. No help needed. Okay. There's the Carabao. Woo. Hi. What is the name of the Carabao? Chocolate. So it's our first time to ride the Carabao cart.
Yeah, Fun Farms is a fun place.
Oh yes.
You come here with your kids, right, Miriam?
Yeah.
Highly recommended, right?
It's great for kids.
Perfect for kids.
Yeah, it's great. And Miriam's
So much stuff to do.
already found new friends. Amara and Sofia from Batangas.
Traffic?
Let's eat or something.
What?
He's being stubborn.
He's
Peeing?
huh? I don't know. Is he peeing?
Wee-wee.
Wee wee. He's peeing. He's peeing. Wee wee.
Oh no! This is the hard one for me. I'm gonna beat you. Here I go. Who's winning?
Me!
Oh no! You're beating me! You cheated. Here's how you do it.
Sending love from the Philippines.